Every Xmas has a story. Some are filled with gifts, some with surprises. But the story I am about to tell you is about a man named Dan Menarche, a man who discovered that even the smallest lights can shine the brightest during Christmas. Dan lived alone in a small wooden cabin at the edge of Winter Ridge, a quiet village covered in snow for half the year. People in the village knew Dan, but only from a distance. He was not unfriendly, just quiet, a man who worked hard, kept to himself, and never celebrated Christmas. He never bought a tree, never hung a wreath, never put a single light outside his home. For Dan, Christmas was just another day. But one cold evening, just a week before Christmas, something strange happened. Knock, knock, knock. Dan opened the door and found a small wooden box on the steps. No name, no address. Just a red ribbon tied around it and a tiny pine cone glued to the top. Inside the box was a note. Every life has a light. Find yours this Christmas. And beneath the note, a tiny glowing star made from jute and twine. Dan held the little handmade star, a long buried memory returned. He remembered being a child, sitting beside his mother as she crafted Christmas ornaments from jute, pinecone, and glitter. She used to say, Dan, every ornament carries a piece of your heart. Keep making them and you will never feel alone. But after she passed away, Dan stopped crafting, stopped celebrating, stopped believing Christmas could ever feel warm again. That night, Dan placed a tiny star on his dusty old shelf. Something about it called out to him. The next morning, he found himself looking at an old box of forgotten crafts, tools, jute rope, paints, a few pine cones collected years ago. For the first time in decades, Dan felt an urge to create. He began wrapping jute around an empty jar, slowly, carefully, patiently. He added a pine cone here, a cinnamon sticks there. Then he placed a small candle inside. When he lit it, the jar glowed softly, warm, golden, and full of memories. Daddy smiled, I really smiled, I smiled. He did not felt in years. That night he made another craft and another and another. As the days passed, Dan's windows began to shine with handmade decoration. Jute, lanterns, pinecone ornaments, and glowing recycled bottles. People walking by paused. Is that Dan's house? He's decorating? Is he finally celebrating Christmas? The village became curious. On Christmas evening, Dan stepped outside to place his final creation, a large jute star glowing with fairy lights. But when he opened the door, he froze. His entire front yard was filled with villagers, each holding a small gift, a lantern, or a handmade decorations. One child stepped forward and said, he brought these for you, Mr. Menarche, because you helped our village shine again. Then Menarche looked at his creations, looked at the smiling face, and realized the truth. Christmas was not about the decoration, it was about lights or gifts. It was about connection, kindness, and finding light even year after years of darkness. And that Christmas, the loneliest man in Winter Ridge became the heart of the village. This was Dan Menarche Christmas Miracle. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy these designs, these decoration ideas. I wish your evening full of happiness, togetherness, and many more you want to have in your life. Take a deep breath. May your home fulfilled with craft, love, happiness, togetherness, and many more. Thank you for watching. Wishing you a very happy holiday. Keep crafting, keep smiling, keep doing something best. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness, and many more you want to have in your life. Thank you. Be a part of this video. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Write your opinion in the comment section, and we will definitely try to upload whatever you want to watch in your life. Thank you for your amazing response. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. If you want to know something more about that, more ideas like this,